Okay, so here we are with number 39. Find the volume of the triangular prism. The area of the rectangular face is shown. The rectangular face shown is 375 square meters. So this area is 375, which is going to help us get, since we know this side is 15, right here, it's going to help us get this side, which, just so we have our plan here, will help us get this side using the Pythagorean theorem, which will help us get the area of this base. I'm going to put big B down there, so it'll help us get this big B, and then the volume is just the area of big B, which is the area, I'm sorry, the volume is equal to big B, area of the base, times the height, which is going to be 15 meters. Just 15 meters. Okay, so let's go. If this is 375, and to get the green, we know that that length times 15 is equal to 375. Then the length, I'm just going to go to black now, 15, divide both sides by 15, and you see that the length is equal to 25. 375 divided by 15 is 25. So now we have our length, and let me put that in green. We have this is 25. Now we use the Pythagorean theorem to come up with this x. We know that x squared plus 20 squared, which is that guy right there, has got to equal 25 squared. 25 squared. Don't skip any steps here, because you could definitely go wrong if you combine these wrong. X squared is equal to 400. So x squared plus 400, that's 20 squared, equals 625. Look at that. X squared plus 400 is equal to 625. So x squared is equal to 225. So x has got to equal square root of 225 is 15. So there we have our x, and now we get the area of the base, or let's just do the whole volume, okay? The volume is going to be the area of the base, which is 1/2 times 15 times 20. We're not going to our, so that 15 is from over here. This 20 is from over here, right? So there's the area of the base, and the height times 15. And this is, you multiply this all out, you should get 2250 cubic meters. I would cancel this 2 with this 20, leaves 10 before I would do the multiplication. 15 times 15 is 225, times 10 is 2250. Find the volume of the prism. Alright, so for this one, so we can find the area of the base. It's 1/2. It's 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 1 meter, times the height, 2. So there's our big B, and then times the height, which is 13. So 1/2 times 1 times 2 times 13 is 13 cubic meters. Let's get us a couple more problems here. 11, number 12. See, let's grab all this here. It might be too much, but we'll try. Let's see if that pasted. Nah, didn't paste, but that's okay. Find the volume of this prism. Let's see. We'd have to stand this upright, but if we know this distance is 15, let's see, how much is it tilted over? Oh, might have to get back to this one. I don't see a way. We would either need, we'd have to know this. Well, we know this is a right angle because it goes straight down. We would have to know this distance. And it's tilted up. There's no way to say how much it's tilted. Well, we could put some bounds on it, right? If it were standing straight up, right? If it were standing straight up, and it was, we know it's going to be more than 15. But let's find the volume if the distance from here to here were indeed 15. It would be 1/2. Let me just do this one, something just like this. 1/2 times 2 times 1, so that's the area. So 1/2 times 2 times 1 would be the area, the area of the big B, which is the area of the base, times the height if it were 15, right? We know it's in fact a little bit more. This would give us the answer 15. So we know it has to be at least 15. And here's 15. So it can't be this, it's got to be more, and these are both less. We can cross those out, so it has to be 30 cubic meters. It's the only way I can do that one. I'm pretty sure that's right. If it's not, no, just tell me about it. The base of a hexagonal pyramid has an area of 76.8 square inches. The height is 18.1. Find the volume. So now we need the volume formula for a pyramid. I don't even care that it's a hexagonal pyramid. It doesn't matter. There's just some shape down here, right? That's a terrible shape. There's some shape down here, and it's a pyramid, right? So these sides go straight down, and down the back too. And we know this big B is really one of the most important parts of the formula. We know this is 76.8 square inches, and we know this vertical height is 18.1. And the volume of pyramid is 1/3 the big base, the big B, which is the area of the base, times the height, which is 18.1. So this is 18.1. This is 76.8, and this whole thing by 1/3. So when we do this multiplication, we should get the answer. But we could get it even faster and plugging it in. This is 18 divided by 3 is 18.1 divided by 3 is about 6. So we're really doing 6 times a number a little bit bigger than 75. 6 times 75. Just imagine someone gave you, you buy a pack of gum for 75 cents. You bought 6 packs. That's going to be $4.50. So here we go. That's the answer.